G'day guys, this is Nathan here at Allbrand Caravan Services. We've had a lot of questions and people calling up asking, what is it that you actually do on a service for us guys? So what we're going to do today is we're actually going to run you through what we do on a service for you guys on your caravans, motorhomes and anything like that. So if you follow me guys, we start at the hubs. We actually will pull the wheels off and inspect the bearings, hub assemblies, axles, brake pads, everything to do with your suspension. We'll re-grease everything and re-lubricate everything, check your wheel alignment and continue on from there. Once we're happy with the axles, we then move on to the inside of the service. So if you keep following me this way, comes down to the back of the fridge, we'll pull the vent off and just inspect everything behind there, make sure everything's wired properly and also working effectively. We come and test the hot water system. We also do a replace the anode and do a flush of the hot water system. That's something we recommend you do every service, every 12 months if not. That will clean out the hot water system of any excess magnesium off the anode and keep it nice and fresh for you so you don't have anything clogging up your pipes. So we'll continue on and we'll go inside the caravan. Now guys, now that we're inside the caravan, we will check everything all the way from the ceiling to the floor, including every single cupboard door, latch and striker plate, all the windows, blind assemblies, fridge, microwave, tap assemblies. We'll make sure that the TV is working, aerials, fans, all 12 volt internal and external circuits, all your 240 volts as well. We'll ensure that all the power points are working effectively and everything wired by a 240 is working effectively. Check everything in the bathroom. If you guys have a home washing machine or dishwasher, we'll test those, make sure they're working as well. And guys, if you've got any other questions on what we do on a service here, give us a call, leave a comment down below in the comment section and we can help you out. Thank you very much.